welcome back to the channel. Today our candidate is a 2018 Raptor with a 3.5 EcoBoost. Make sure to go ahead and like this video, and if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Today we are going to be installing some Borla Ford Performance exhaust, and we got some extension pipes depending on what cab and body configuration you have, and let's see what all this stuff looks like. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's the kit all opened up, spread out. We got the extension pipes like I had showed you earlier, bag full of clamps. Look like that's pretty self-explanatory. Here's some instructions. Note, if you have that wheelbase, then you're going to need these two pipes that came in that smaller box. So make sure you guys know what wheelbase you're going to be working with. Also, I don't know if this came with the kit or if this was an after-the-fact add-on, but the guy's got some carbon fiber tips. Look pretty sweet. See how they sit on here right now. You can see the exhaust just comes out the side like that. So let's get to it. We're going to lift it up and see what the stock system looks like and what we're going to be contending with. I wanted to show you guys what the part number was for this kit. 17 and 18 Raptor. This is what you'd expect to use. Here's the part number for the extension pipes, depending on what bed and cab configuration you have. We have the stock exhaust. This thing has 2,000 miles on it. We're going from cat back. So I got a connection here, connection here, connection. I've also went ahead and just lubed up the fasteners. Lubed this up. I'm going to take the hanger out here, clean all that up. Two connections there. And then you can see this goes to the driver's side and that goes to the passenger side. And I also see I got one more hanger right here I'm gonna take off. Got those connections all lubed up. So now we're gonna take the old stuff off and put the new stuff in. So let's check it out. Here we go. Alright, I got the exhaust down. Note, you will have to take the spare tire, and you need to use the ignition key to take that little blockage out of the hole. But this is it. Came off pretty well, except for having to take the spare tire off, so that's no big deal. Here's the exhaust on the floor. Now what I wound up doing after taking the spare tire off was I disconnected this, took all the hangers loose, disconnected that and that. Once I got this rear section off, I was able to slide this whole entire middle piece just to the back of the axle, just boom, and it allowed me to clear this from right here. So I wound up taking it out and going like this. So I'm gonna put it in the same way and hopefully everything goes well. When installing the Resonator, this piece was on here and was orientated on that tab. This little finger had to be lifted up over that so you could slide this off that pipe, and then you slide the new pipe on and this goes around there, probably like that. So alright, continuing. Alright you guys, I just installed the extension pipes and the muffler. Got everything nice and loose. Got that one. Now it's just hooking up the back. Alright, continuing. You guys, I got it all mocked up, got it loose. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all the hangers get it fast to the body, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure all my pipes are slipped together, and finally gonna tighten all the clamps. All right, fully installed. Check it out. Gotta put the spare tire up, no problem. Looks pretty nice, I'm happy with it. Went in nice. No issues. Ford Performance, Borla. All right, spare tire going in. Okay, here we go. New Performance Borla exhaust started on a 18 Raptor. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. Sounds nice. Looks good. Got some WD-40 up on the axle there, bud. Get all of it cleaned off. Okay. Everything looks nice and tight and no leaks. Perfect.